Did you find toys?
Let's learn colors with Mickey Mouse! Have fun! Hi everyone! Welcome to Fizzy Fun Toys. Today we're learning colors with the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse cash register. And we have a Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse cubies. Let's look at the colors on this cash register. It's red, blue, yellow. It has black Mickey Mouse ears. We have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Here is a decimal point and a plus sign. This green button turns it on. The red button turns it off. What does the blue button do?
Great choice! Hey there! It's me, Mickey Mouse! What mouse tools do we need today?
Let's push the white Mickey Mouse hand. And this yellow button says total. It opens the cash register. Inside of the cash register we find a yellow $5 bill, a blue $10 bill, a green $1 bill, and a red $20 bill. And there are Mickey Mouse coins in here. This one has the numbers 2, 5. That's 25 cents. This star has the number 5. That's 5 cents. And this Mickey Mouse coin has the numbers 1 and 0. That's 10 cents. This is blue, and it helps us ring up our items. When we turn this yellow dial, we can change the money amount. And there's even a Mickey Mouse charge card. It's blue and yellow, and the letters are red. Let's try it.
Hot diggity dog!
Hot diggity dog! Let's look at our cubies. We have Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. This Mickey Mouse cubies has black, red, and yellow. And it has Mickey Mouse's face. What's inside? Inside we found Pluto. This is a Pluto figural keyring. Pluto is yellow with a black tail and black ears. He also has a black nose. And his collar is green. This is a Minnie Mouse cubies. It's pink with white polka dots. And Minnie Mouse is looking so cute on there. What is inside of it? It looks like we have Minnie Mouse. This Minnie Mouse is wearing a yellow dress and a yellow bow. She also has yellow shoes on. She's holding a blue umbrella. And she has a suitcase that's white, pink, and blue. It even has a little bit of gold on top. I hope you had fun learning colors with Mickey Mouse! Hi everyone! Welcome to Fizzy Fun Toys. Let's get cooking! Look at this orange pan. It has a green lid. Look at this orange pot. It has a green lid. Let's hang our purple fork. Time to hang the green spatula. It's a purple spoon. Time for more stickers. This says off and on. We'll put it next to our knob. And we need one over here. We have a green cup, and it needs a sticker. It's another green cup, and another sticker. It's a really big sticker, and it goes right down here. We have green lettuce, a red apple, 2 yellow plates, an orange an orange carrot. It's an egg. It's yellow and white. Now let's get cooking. Time to cut up some vegetables to cook. It's a green pepper. It's a purple eggplant. It's yellow corn. It's a tan potato. Let's cook our vegetables. Turn on the stove. Let's cut up fruit and put it in the blender. Red apple. Orange. Yellow lemon. Green pear. And a red strawberry. Time to make our fruit smoothie. Now we have a pink smoothie. Uh-oh, we spilled our smoothie. Do you want to have a sip? Delicious. Let's have some more. Let's bake a chicken. We made a chicken. Let's use this blue Play-Doh and make a cupcake. Yum, a delicious cupcake. I'm ready for more dessert now. Let's have some cake. It's a birthday cake. Blow out the candle. This delicious cake has vanilla and chocolate on the inside. Would you like to try a bite? Let's cut more pieces. Time for some cake and fruit smoothie. I'll see you next time.
Ooh, that looks so delicious. I hope you had fun. Yum, 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 yum.